Hello, hello, hello everyone. Docker PSA, nope, Docker. No, 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 no. PowerShell run. Right, so it will run. And let's see with our localhost 4200. And what's that again? It was Neptune, right? Neptune having issue. No, planets. Then Neptune. Yeah, this one. We will try to fix this again today. Should all acquaintance be forgotten and all downside for rolling sign, my dear, for the U.S. Navy and Marines will soon shut down Iran's new tanker war. Ah, will soon shut down Iran's new tanker war. What? What does it mean? Okay, so we want to fix this. So if we go to the settings, right, and then go to privacy, this is standard. Oh no, this is already standard. Only when Firefox is set to block known trackers. Send websites a do not track signal don't want that you don't want to be tracked. This is already in standard. So what if we go to strict? So what will happen now? So Firefox can't open this page. To protect your website, your security dev will not allow Firefox to display the page if another site has embedded it. To see this page, you need to open it in a new window. So it says to protect your website, your site dev. This one will not allow Firefox to display the page if another site has embedded it. Can we change the setting of this? Go to Auth0 and let's see if we can change the configuration. Auth0. Should all acquaintance be forgotten if all outside for old lang syne, my dear, for old lang syne. Should all acquaintance be forgotten and all sign. For all acquaintance be forgotten. Go to applications and then like in here we want to check if we can set this so that it can be displayed. Comma separated list of allowed origins for use with cross origin. Allowed web origins. In form of you can use wildcards at this subdomain level. Restring, allow cross-origin authentication. When allowed, cross-origin authentication allows web allows application to make authentication requests when the lock widget or custom HMS used. This, yeah. This will try to implement the authentication also in the host app. Okay. So let's go to our this one, and this one is the one that has the authentication. Okay, this one, and we will try to implement this also in app 1. So cd app 1, then ng, what's that? Um, let's go back here to quick start. Alright, so we got it installed in app 1. So we go to the app 1's app module and we will install this. I'll import the authentication and we'll change this to 4200, and we might have to create the callback, right? So let's create the callback. ng generate component pages callback stand alone. Right, so let's go to pages. There's the callback. Then we will register the route callback. So load component. Pages callback, then X callback. Alright, so that's the callback, and then we will set up the environment. So ng generate environments. So we will now have the environments. So go to the environments, we'll add the environments of app2. Go to app2, search for the environments. Right, we already set up the environments. Let's go to the setting. And then the callback, hold on. Right, so we got the allowed callbacks. So we got that set up in app 1. So let's have a login here. Or let's do the same. We'll also put a route card in auth, yeah, in the dashboard, or yeah, we'll put that auth in the dashboard, or hold on, where is it? This one, yeah, we want to use this. So this entire thing, we want to use that. And then put that in our wrap module right here. So I just want to add this here, path, that, and then children is children here, and then we want to add this. Oh, missing. And then this one will be in the children, right, like that. Okay, so let's go. Alright, so let's go to, no, we'll have to build this PowerShell build. So we will build that. Then let's open a new tab. Then let us PowerShell stop all. Then after this is built, we will we will run the 3 websites. I got my handshake. I'm back a milkshake. I got an AC. It's not my problem. It's not my problem. Ooh-hoo. And I feel I don't belong. Ooh-hoo. And I feel I don't belong. Oh, it's to reach out. Ding, 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 ding. Alright, so it's running. Now we want to PowerShell run this. Run the 3 applications and then let us refresh that. It will log in. We will log in. So now we are logged in. We'll go to planets Neptune. Let's see what's the behavior here. It's not complaining. It's also already logged in. But there's an error. What's this? Cookies. Yeah, because did we set this to strict? Privacy, yeah, this is already strict. What's the error here? This is an error, right? A bad request. Woohoo! And I feel I don't belong. Woohoo! And I did I don't belong. Oh, na 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 na. Some cookies are misusing the recommended same site attribute. What's this? Did I console log that console log here? I'll try to remove that. What's this? Cookies. Response. This could be a misconfiguration. We track this errors automatically, but if you have a problem, feel free to contact us. What's this? So let's go to the callback. Yeah, let's pause this. So in here, let's go to the callback here. Then, yeah, maybe in the constructor. Console.log 0, then background green, color gold. And in app2, go to app2, the callback, the constructor. This is 3200, and then in our planets, and then Neptune, let's check the URL. It should be 3200, right? What are the changes I made? Yeah, okay, so let us commit that. Let's push it. Right, so let's do this again. Here, let's PowerShell build. And let's go to app2, and then let's PowerShell build. And then in here, let's wait for this to finish. Alright, so that is already completed, and then let us PowerShell stop, then PowerShell run. And then let us refresh this. So if we go to localhost 3200, let's log out. So we'll set the logout URL, okay. Alright, so we put the logout URLs. Let's just go back there, go back here, save, refresh. This one here, localhost 3200. So it's logged in, something like that. Let's log out. Allowed callback URLs. It is. It is in the allowed callback URLs. Okay. So let's just add this to okay, then let us here, let's log out. So it's logged out. Why isn't it trying to log in? 3200. So 3200, this one. Where's our app routing? So this one. So should ask to redirect. Right, so let us build this again, and then this one, let's build that again. So it's now built. PowerShell stop, PowerShell run. And then let's refresh this. Why is it logged in? It's logged out. So why is it logged in? Is it because this is logged in? We'll also add a logged out here. Deep in my heart, I can feel it. Where's my logout button? Where's my logout button? Here, up on logout. Okay, so it didn't build. Where would you go? Where would you go? And how long ago? I'm thinking out loud. Suddenly, don't you know? Don't you do what you do? You should do to me. Oh man, Docker prawn. Right, we cleaned up our Docker, so the Docker images. So let's see Docker images. Okay, and we want to Docker RMI or Docker PSI first. Docker PSI, there should be no more. Docker Okay, so let's docker stop. Oh no, PowerShell stop. So it will remove Docker images. Docker PSA. Docker PSA. So Docker images. How do we remove all of this? So I just want to remove this one here. RMI. This one. This one. This one. And this one. Right, so let's remove that and let's docker images. Okay, no more with those dudes. So let's again run. So it enables to run. It's going to, oops. Yeah, we have to build. Sorry. Okay, so this one here, PowerShell build. Then PowerShell build. For the third one, let's go to app 3 PowerShell build. Okay, again, this can be done with Docker Compose, but I haven't touched Docker and Docker Compose in a while, and when I first rerun my Docker Compose, it's not picking up my Docker file correctly, so I just decided to use PowerShell, and it will still serve the same purpose. Mm, Oh, it's already built. This one's already built. Right, so let us PowerShell run to run those baby girls, and it's so it already has a log out. Okay, so it's logged out. It's going to log in, and then it's logged in. No, it will not log in. Let's check in app2. It's already logged out. Yeah. So if I log in app2, so I'm now logged in app2, will I be automatically logged in app1? Localhost 4200, and yeah, I'm logged into app1. And go to Neptunes. Yep, but this is maybe because um I'm using localhost. So let's try if we can run this as 127.127.0.0.1. See if it will still behave the same. Goes back, so let's update the Auth0 to include 127. Okay, 127.0.0.1 here, like that, and on top here as well. 0.0.1. Also this one, 127.0.0.1, and this one, 127.0.0.1. just want this one, and that one, and yep. So let's save this, and in our app2 is okay. Let's go to our app1, go to planets, Neptunes. Let's use the 7.0.0.1. Okay, and then let us build. Okay, so let's Docker PowerShell stop. And then this one PowerShell build. And here PowerShell build. Right, so we got it running. Now we want to run again. Then let's refresh this. See if they will have. Yeah, it still logs in. We go to 127.0.0.1 oops, 27.0.0.1 sucked out. Then it logs in because we have it logged in. If we logged out, this one should also be logged out. And if we log in here again, yeah, we got it built. Then run. Let's see if we will have a, yeah, so this, oh, yeah, it's already using 1 to 7, and it's still loading. And we already set this up for strict mode. It's up. This setting can cause. Do we have a Chrome here? Let's install Chrome. Install or maybe Edge in Ubuntu 22.04. Okay. Alright, let's just stop this first. PowerShell stop. And let's rerun everything. Let's install Edge. Alright, so he got that. Then should upgrade. Right, that took so long. Next is we want to this one. Alright, so that was finished. Let's go to this one here. Right, so let's space that. Alright, so next is this one. Let's space that. Alright, next is this one. Right, space that. Alright, so after that is what's this? I wonder where these guys get all these commands. Alright, so what is this? Check the Microsoft version. Alright, so we got the Microsoft version. What's this? We don't want to install the beta. Let's see if we already have the. Oh, what's that? Up install Microsoft Edge. Up install Edge. So let's just try to search for Edge. Right, so add to favorite. Mhm. Alright, so we installed Edge here, and let's go to localhost 4200. And why is it not running? So let's check our Dockers. Oh, sorry, there's no Docker in here. Let us Docker, or no, PowerShell run. So it will run our 3 apps. Now let us, it will ask us to log in, and we're going to set this to strict privacy, then strict, and then let us reload, or maybe go to a private window, and then localhost 4200, and access to logged in. It's logged in. Right, so now it's logged in. Let's go to planets and then Neptune. And yeah, it's still. Hey, why is it logged in? Wasn't it logged in? Um, let's go to our 127.0.0.1. Then this one is logged out, and then yeah, why is it logged in? Let's go to app 2. It has to log in if authenticate is not authenticated. Okay, so it's not authenticated. What? So if I go to 127.0.0.1, 3200, 127.0.0.1, 3200. How about we show here the auth.user async, and then put a pre in there. And then in here, let us PowerShell build. And PowerShell stop. Right, so it's now running. PowerShell run again. Then it's the 2, right? We updated 2 up to, alright. Then let's Docker images, Docker RMI. Docker RMI, Docker images, PSA, Docker, oh, PowerShell stop. No, PowerShell stop. PowerShell run. It's not displaying. Yeah, because we will JSON that. Damn. Why are you so will it work like this? Or I'd have to put this in a parenthesis. So let's try. PowerShell build. Right, so it's built as PowerShell stop, and then PowerShell run. Okay, and then refresh this baby girl. Oh, it's not working. No, right? Because why? Okay, this one. Okay, so we have this, and let's refresh this one. Okay, why it still asks to log in if it's very obvious that it's already authenticated. ng template, maybe this is a wrong, it's authenticated. Yeah, it's correct, right? ng template logged in, else logged out, else logged in. Yeah. Or how about we do it like this? No? Yeah, we have to put it on a. So if not authenticated, oh yeah, if authenticated, yeah, it's reverse. If authenticated, then log out. Else, yeah, this one here should be here. This logout should be here. Alright, so it's the other way around. Is a PowerShell build. Right, so let's stop or run. Okay, and then this one here should now be logged out. If you log in, where's my guy? Let's log in. If authenticated, damn, it's again. So we have to put this one here, and then if authenticated, if authenticated, so display logout and display the information. If not, log in. Yeah, that's right. Okay, so it's logged in. So once logged in like that, and here, yeah, it's logged in already. So if we log out, so in here, if we log out, this one here should also be logged out. Yeah, oh, it's logged out. Why is it still logged in? Yeah, it's still logged in. So let's log out from here. So it's logged out, and here it will also go to logged out. Okay, and then if we log in here, so I am now able to log in, and this one here, if I go to 127.0.0.1 3200, should also automatically logged in. Right, so these are both logged in. Let's go to planets, Neptune. Right, so they are logged in, and this is using in private. But why? Supposed to block, but it's not blocking, maybe because they're both considered on the same domain. They're not read as third-party cookies. In here. This is up to, and this is Neptune is, yeah, so they're not considered as different domains. They're considered as the same domain. How do we know if it's yeah, so it's not getting blocked. So this is strict mode. Block trackers. So what browsers, what other browsers we can use? Okay, so let's try Chrome. Tried and MS Edge. So now let's try to install Chrome. Install Chrome and Ubuntu 20. This one. Here. And this one. This will download. This will download. Then this one. next is we want to, what's this? Is it going to launch? Let us just try to find it. Chrome, there's no Chrome. It's the last command. Yeah, we have to do this. This is the next one to that one. Yeah. Where would you go now? Long ago, I'm thinking out loud. Right, so that should install our Google Chrome already. So we'll launch Chrome, add to favorites, and let's try our. No, don't make it as the default. Automatic send usage. Yeah, say that. And then let us localhost 4200. It will ask us to log in. Let's first go to settings, check the privacy, go to browser cookies, block third party in incognito. So let's go to incognito mode. I want to localhost 4200. It will ask us to log in. So I think, yeah, I was able to replicate a 404 here, right? So let's log in. Right, so it's logged in. And then, yeah, let's go to our planets and then Neptune. And where's our Neptune? Planets, Neptune. What? Should be planets. Go to the routing. Planets, then Neptune. Yeah, why is it not going there? Ah, yeah, because this is complaining because of that issue, the browser issue. Planets, Neptune. So let's go here. How do we capture that? Yeah, so instead of putting the this one here, we'll put it in the dashboard. Right? No, that one. Go to Neptune, this one. Let's put this in the dashboard, right? And in our dashboard, PowerShell build. Mhm. Been running high and you're screaming my name. Alright. Alright, so let's go on PowerShell, stop, and then go PowerShell and run. And let's refresh this. And So now this is what we will try to fix. So if we go to the settings, right, and then go to privacy and go to clear, oh no, not that one, go to cookies, then allow all cookies, then yeah, there's no error. Yeah, hold on. Localhost 4200. So access to login, and then let's logged in. To where would you go now? Go, I'm thinking out loud. So suddenly the sun should know, don't you? Right? So now it's able to display, and let's see. So says wait, how to show this again? Uh, okay, so we're able to display it, but if we change this back to privacy and then go to cookies, and then if we block third-party cookies incognito, we even want to block this in, like, even if not incognito, we want to block that. Then let's refresh or log out and then log in. This is incognito, so yeah, so there you go. Now we want to provide a fix that we can try to see if we can apply a fix to this. So in our app routing, no, in our app module, uh, we want to add a use cookies for transaction and then set that to true, and in our, that is in our app 1, is it in app 1? Then let's go to app 2 and here, okay, this one, and then let us rebuild PowerShell build, and this one PowerShell build, this one here is PowerShell stop, and then just wait for our two girls here to complete. Right, so we got that stopped, then PowerShell, we go to PowerShell and then run. Let's see if our issue, this error, will get fixed. Alright, so now it goes back to this error, frame ancestors none. Let's log out, then log in. So yeah, it removed that error, and now it has the frame ancestors error, none error. Hmm. 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 So frame ancestors none. Refuse to frame because an ancestor violates the following content. Yeah, okay, so that might have fixed it, and now we got another error. Right, so that's it, kids. Hopefully we learned something here. It's been an hour. It's been more than an hour fighting this beast. Um, we now have we I believe we defeated the storage or cookies issue boss. Now we will continue to the frame and sisters non boss. So I've been trying to fix this also. That's why I'm now using a Linux because I'm not able to replicate this. Um, no, I'm not able to fix this in Windows, so I tried to go for Linux, and yeah, I'm now facing the same issue. So that's it. Um, yeah, I'll see you around till the next video. Bye.